Nokia 7210 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Protect the window with a foil to avoid dust and scratches. Slide the release button downwards and at the same time take away the B cover. To remove the A cover, you first have to release the top guidance. The key mat is loose inside the A cover. Protect the display also with a foil. Unscrew the 6 screws in the following order. Remember not to use the torque driver, which is designed only for tightening screws. Take the transceiver unit out of the C cover. To separate the UI and radio module, you first have to open the display connector on the upper right side of the display. Take metal tweezers to remove the microphone. Remove earpiece by lifting with tweezers from beneath the locking pin. Remove the protection foil of the display. Release the display shield from right side. Release the display shield from left side. Take away the display shield. Take a clean cloth and press the display out of the UI frame. Protect the display again with a foil. Lift up the UI board on the right side and slide it to the right. It goes easier if you bend the frame a bit at the same time. Next 3 pieces can be taken away without tools. Take the power key, the infrared window, and the volume key. The vibromotor is strongly pressed into the C cover. If you need to change the DC jack, you first have to unlock it from the bottom side. Push out the B cover lock. The antenna has 2 locking clips near the recesses which have to be opened. Press the antenna pogo pins from the back side of the C cover.